Good morning and welcome to Going to Work with Gena, which is an infomercial for STEM students. I am Dr. Gena Henderson. STEM students, the last time that we spoke, we were basically installing Python, and I was telling you that Python was cross-platform, meaning that it will run across a variety of machines, meaning that it also works on Androids and iPhone too. So you can actually download it on your phone. It's just that if you are an avid programmer, you wouldn't want to put it actually on your phone. You actually want to make sure that you put it on a desktop or a laptop. Okay, so with that being said, we're going to jump right back into the install of Python, which is, this is the screen that you would get to, which it shows you that it's a 64-bit system. And so now we're going to go right here and we're going to hit install, and so that's going to set up the progress. Okay, and it's going to say, do you want to allow this application to make changes to your device? Yes. Okay, so this is going to initialize and it's going to start the process of installing. So one of the other things that I also want to talk about is when we start putting those instructions into a module is like a block of information. So what we can do is we'll have several blocks of information in those the .py files. We're going to also visit something a very good example called the Fibonacci, which actually goes in and do something real neat in from math. So the first thing, remember, there were 5 elements of programming. It was the input and the output, and arithmetic, and it was the conditions and the looping. So the first thing that we're going to do, although we're sitting here waiting for this to come up, we know we're going to do it line by line, but the first objective instructions that we're going to give is we want to make sure that we can prompt the computer to get you to input something and then to output something. So input output will be the next function that we would do after we start working giving it line by line instructions. Okay, so I want you to go ahead. I don't know how long this is actually going to take, but I just wanted to make sure that I show you that this is the setup of Python. Is actually initializing and it's actually installing, and it looks like it's going to be complete in a few minutes. So at work, I know that a lot of my young engineers, they come in, I actually look for them to actually have Python experience, because I know with a lot of the applications and emulators that we have trying to build and develop practices around a new vehicle, Python scripting is a lot of what we do our launch sequencer coding in. So I want to thank you for going to work with Gena today. If there are any infomercials that you've missed, please don't hesitate to go to Going to Work with Gena, and we will continue to finish installing and coding so we can set up our first exercise, which will be line by line instructions of a print sum A plus B. Thank you.